15, and we got a Smith & Wesson Geo's M&P 15. M&P 15. We got several targets set up right now. Today we're going to be shooting remake, but it does have a Hoffman trigger sticker in it. Right now I got. Everything's clear, everything's good stuff.
All right, people. Sure that this is set it in.
So I'm gonna do 3-round bursts. There we go. I think it was Defender Ammunition is where we got it from.
Yeah,
I'll full stop there.
God bless America. Love you all. Peace out.